Vego has sent me a 100-foot water hose reel to do a review on. And I can tell you already, this is going to be amazing here on our homestead. It's going to come in handy for watering the garden, watering the greenhouse, cleaning out rabbit hutches, watering our maple trees. So I'm going to unbox this, and I'm planning to put it right here on this corner post because our rabbit hutch is over there. The greenhouse is going to be right here. The maple trees are up here, and the garden is right down the hill back here. So this is where it's going to go, and then we're going to also be putting in a frostless water hydrant right here. So it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to get this pulled apart out of the box and do an unboxing, and then I'm going to measure it out where it's going to go on this corner right here. Say that's probably the mounting. That's the This thing is heavy. Heavy. So the first thing I'm going to do is mount the bracket that it sits on. And I measured it off for our frostless. It's going to come to about right there. And then this will sit the top of that. I believe I need it to be about right there. So I'm going to go get a drill bit and get this pre-drilled out.
This is it? Okay.
I had to call the tough guns in.
Okay, rest is up to you.
Okay, we got it all installed in the place where it's going to be. We have it up high because we are going to be putting in a frostless faucet right under here. Okay, I want to talk about a few of the little features on this Vego retractable water hose reel. So here on the sprayer, you've got 10 different settings. They're cone, angle, straight, there's jet, there's mist. It's 10 different settings on this handheld, and it's got just a push thumb sprayer on it. So it's very convenient when you're spraying. If you want to change a setting on it and just start spraying. This, when you reel this thing out, this part will scroll across the opening here to allow the water hose to circulate back in evenly on the reel. Then when you're ready, the water hose back in, you simply give it a little tug. And it will circulate back through on the reel evenly, and then has this stopper at the end so it doesn't go any further. Now the convenience of having this Vego retractable water right here in this location is because we're going to have a future greenhouse right here. We've got maple trees up top here. This 100-foot hose is going to reach all the way to the maple trees. And another beauty of this is our rabbit hutches over here. With this 100-foot hose. And this retractable water hose reel tilts any direction that you pull it.
And that is handy. Love it. I like the way it locks into place, babe.
And I love that with one sprayer, I can be filling up the rabbit hutch water. Let's get this on. A better setting to fill up the water. That's the convenience of having this Vego 100-foot retractable water hose reel on our homestead. We get to water our trees, water our garden, water the greenhouse, and fill up the Rabbitry water. And I want to thank Vego for sending us this 100-foot retractable water hose reel. I love it, and I'm excited to be partnering with Vego. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, there'll be a link in the description of this video where you can go and check out what all they have. These retractable water hose reels is not the only thing they carry. They carry raised beds, elevated beds, all kinds of gardening supplies and things that you might be interested in. So go check out Vego. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.